What's up, guys? Today, to share with you, I have another RGB related tech. And a few weeks ago, I unboxed a Groovy light, which has a camera and looks at your TV and reproduces those colors in the background. This is very similar tech, but it lies in a different category in the way that it uses an HDMI sync box. So you give your TV's input to this sync box, and then it gives you an output which you plug in using the HDMI to your TV, and it uses the input of the HDMI sync box to reproduce the colors in the background. And it also has some extra ceiling lights, like 4 6-inch ceiling lights that you install on the top. So it gives reproduces those colors not only in the background of your TV using the LED strip that comes with it, but also those 6 ceiling lights as well. So it is a different, it uses HDMI sync box instead of a camera. So if you are using a projector or something like that in which there is an intermediary or HDMI is involved, this will fit right in, and it has some extra features like the ceiling lights. So let's unbox it and then see. And it is made by Lumritech. Lumritech is a company that makes a bunch of smart tech and smart home appliances. It is available on Amazon, so check it out when you have time. Let's unbox it and see what's inside it, and then we will talk about its features one by one. All right, so we have Lumri here, the name of the brand, its logo. Left we have some styles, pictures. On the right we have description like 16 million colors, voice control, app control, music sync, HDMI 2.0, 4K HDR. All right, let's open it up. Top we have some documentation. Let's put it aside. Inside we have boxes. Inside the box we have small boxes. So let's start from the center one. If I can pull it out, bring it out. Let's bring out all three of them, then we will see one by one. So inside the bigger box we have the smaller boxes. Let's see what each box contains inside it. All right, okay, what is this? These are lights. That's assembly lights that will be installed on your roof. My apologies that I will not be able to show you the ceiling lights made by Lumri in conjunction with the LED strip behind the TV. The reason is that my roof does not have 6-inch radius lights. Instead, it is made to have 3-inch lights, ceiling lights. So there is that. So it is not possible for me to install the Lumri lights because they have 6-inch radius. So my apologies. How do I bring it out? All right, we have lights. These lights will be installed on the roof, and these will complement colors of your TV. This is 1, 2, 2 in each box. Let's put it aside because these are just assembly lights, smart assembly lights. Other than that, we can't do anything with it. So let's put it there. What else do we have here? These are also 2 assembly lights, so total 4. It comes with 4 assembly lights, each 6-inch. So let's just close it and put it aside because this is the same as this one. And lastly, I think this is going to be our HDMI sync box. Yes, this is the main item. These are the items that connect with this one. So this is the main item. We have our sync box. We have our sync box. And the sync box, we have the selection using which you will select which HDMI input that you want to use. Then these are 2 protocols. I think how to connect with the app. Zigbee is one of the protocols that allows you to connect with the Wi-Fi, and I don't know what Wi-Fi means. I have mostly used Zigbee. On-off button here, and Lumri logo here. On the back, we have DC 12-volt DC input, 2 USB ports for two lights, and then we have the HDMI 1, 2, 3, three input HDMIs and one output HDMI. This is our very small, feels like metal. Maybe even if it is plastic, I feel like it is a very high quality premium if it is metal. Otherwise it feels if it is plastic, it is high quality. Otherwise it feels metal to me, to be honest. All right, what do we have here? This is a power adapter, very large power brick by the way, with the USB plug. Power adapter, power will go here like this. This is 12-volt adapter. We have some plugs to apply the LED strip behind the TV. We have a very high quality HDMI 2.0 cable. And lastly, we have our LED strip. This is our LED strip. That looks very similar to the one that I unboxed and reviewed on my channel a few weeks ago. The one from Govee T1 TV lights. It looks very similar to that one. It will be installed behind the TV and it will connect to this HDMI sync box. These lights will also connect with the HDMI sync box, and you will take the TV output from here using this HDMI cable and give it to your TV, and you also have to provide the input to this one. So I'm not sure how it will connect with my TV because my TV is already smart TV and I don't use any input HDMI, so I only have output. So I will see how it works with my. The Govee lights uses a camera to see the screen, while these will use this HDMI input to see the colors inside your video streams. Let's see how it works. This is the hardware that came with it. All right, now that we have it out of the box, let's talk about it. In the unboxing, we saw a bunch of buttons in HDMI inputs. It has 3 HDMI inputs, 1 output, 2 USB ports for lights, so bunch of other stuff. It supports Zigbee Alliance, it supports Wi-Fi. You can select the source of the HDMI. All that stuff is here on this HDMI sync box. And but what else? What other features does it has? Because it uses HDMI sync, it extracts the colors information from this box instead of using a camera like the Govee lights, Leaf Nano lights, and those kind of lights. Instead of that, it extracts the colors information from the HDMI sync box tag directly. It supports HDMI 2.0 and it has 240 Hz refresh rate. It can support 4K HDR, so in terms of its color accuracy and reproduction, it is really good. What else does it have? It not only reproduces the colors whatever are on your TV in the background and on the roof using the ceiling lights, but it all has a bunch of other features which are controlled through the app. For example, it has a music mode in which not only you see the color reproduction in the background, but those lights also reacts to the rhythm of the music, which looks really cool. I have actually made a 30-second video for that, so let's take a listen.
Magi dost goda dost teje fayde roz wazan dost rawa हमेशा निराद दे जब लेता है डिजाइनर तेरी कमर का माप सांप लगे मुझे उसका इंची से दोस्त दर दुश्मन भी दोस्त वदा मुतमईन को मवत वती डिजाइनर.
Other than that, it also supports integration with Google Assistant and Alexa. So for example, you can say, hey Google, turn on my TV lights. So for example, you can say, hey Google, turn on my TV lights. Hey Google, turn off my TV lights. hey Google, turn and decrease the brightness of my TV lights to 50%. Or you can ask for color changes and other things as well. So it supports Google and Alexa, Google Assistant and Alexa integration. It supports all the famous TVs like Roku TV, Fire TV, Google Chromecast, and all those HDMI output accessories are supported. So TV and Chromecast, Apple TV, all those are supported. Even it also supports PlayStation and Xbox. Specific track is designed for 55 to 65 inch TV. So mind that TV size when you're ordering. Select the right TV size for based on your TV size. All right, so this was LumiTech's HDMI sync box. It was something very unique, very different from what Google is offering. So I wanted to share it with you guys as well. Let me know what you think of it. Take great care of yourself.